Hi guys, this is Mohit here again with another video on ferns. A very good morning to all of you. Now today I will be discussing few quick care tips for your ferns and how to keep them alive 12 months of the year. Now as you can see, I have two different pots of ferns. Okay, so now what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing a quick tip. Now as you can see, I have two different types of pots because this is a hanging one, this is a plastic one that I have, okay, and this is a ceramic one. Now the problem over here is because I hang it near the window and it is like a very bright sunny day. Now this will need water regularly because it is hot and the plastic will give it more heat compared to this one, because this is a ceramic pot. This is a pot made up of mud as well, mixed with mud. This, if I'm touching this, I watered this like 2 days ago, but it is still very cold, so this will keep my plant alive for a longer period of time. Now we all know that ferns, they need water, they need moist soil. Okay, now when I say moist soil, it doesn't mean that you have to water them every day. No, you don't have to do that. You can water them once or maximum twice a week. But if you want to keep them green like this, look at the color, like it's so green, okay? And this is summer. This is not winter in Australia right now. Still, they are so green. The reason is because I keep on spraying water on them, okay? Whenever I come back from work in the evening, if I have not sprayed in the morning, I spray water in the evening, and it takes like 2 minutes. So I just spray some water on over them and it keeps them moist and it keeps them cool, and your ferns will never die. The best care tip is spray water on them once a day, like 2 minutes. Keep the water ready in the spray bottle, spray it whenever you have time, and water them just once or twice a week. Don't water them too much, and make sure that there is a hole, okay, underneath your pot, and the excess water should come out from that hole. It should not be blocked inside, otherwise the roots will be rotten. Okay, so this is one of the care tips. Now second thing is, don't keep your ferns in sun. Okay, fern does not like sun, okay, and you have to keep them in a shade, shade place. I keep them inside my bedroom. Now they do love some light, but they do not like direct sunlight on them, and keep them in a place where there is a flow of air. Plants do love flow of air like you and me. Okay, moist soil, this is enough, and a little bit of care and love, attention, I would say, because these do require attention. And the best one I would recommend is again bird nest fern. If you're really fond of fern but you are a lazy brat, okay, and you do not have the time to take care of them a lot, if you can see, my soil is very dry. Can you see how dry is my soil? It does not have water in it, if you can see. Okay, still it is so green, and this is plastic. Okay, if you don't water this fern very often, it will still not die. So if you're fond of ferns but you don't have time, get this one. And otherwise, if you are like someone like me who likes ferns a lot and is ready to take care of them, you can get the other variety. I'm planning to get the next one very soon, which is Boston fern. I love it a lot, so I'll be getting that fern very soon, and once I get it, I'll shoot a video with that as well. See you all next time. If you like my videos, do like, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time very soon. Take care. Bye bye.